at the TNA Stadium. It's the inauguration day of this huge monument here. And it's former Premier League champions locking horns. Still one apiece between these two sides here. Free kick, and it's Isaac Bovison to take it for Medeama. It's a long one in from Bovison, who makes the connection, the header, and that's the goal! That is the goal! And the TNA Stadium, once again, in this game is alive! Medeama Sporting Club with an all-important goal towards the tail end of the game. Just when you thought it was going to end, when Hunters even, they step up and it's a goal.
They came, they saw, they conquered. Officially, the TNA Park has been commissioned by